In this video, guys, you can see that we are on the daily time frame on BTC. You can see Bitcoin held this level perfectly. It's a nice level of support. You can see that there's a wick there and then a bit of volatility. Do it to the candle closes and you can see we got a wick there. So it's a strong line of support. We also have strong resistance. If I zoom into the 4 hour, you can see we're kind of converging here, connecting all the highs. We've got a nice rejection off it. Seeing as we have just hit that resistance, chances are we could come down to test this resistance again. I mean support. We get the fib levels out, got the 786 level, possibly the 618. But we'll have to see how price develops. Zooming into the lower time frames, you can see that I personally think because Bitcoin pumped fairly quickly, it can also dump fairly quickly. So I am short biased or sell biased right now. I'm currently looking for a premium, a retracement, possibly back to the 618 under this low. Some good confluence there. If I get the SVP out, you can see we also have yesterday's value or previous day's value area low in confluence with the 618 retracement from this move, as well as from the whole move. We've got 0.5 retracement as well as that low. So when price comes here, I'm looking for shorts at the 78, stop loss at the 786. Actually, if we're targeting say the 618, we could be a bit generous with our stop loss, targeting a nice little 1 to 4.8, but we'll see how it goes. Let's see how this plays out. I'm going to set my alerts now and I'll keep you guys updated. So you can see here price has come up to as high as the 786, got a lovely rejection off of it. Short entry signaled. I've entered shorts. Stop loss above the 88. Previous day point of control as well. See if we can start rejecting more. We got SFP off that high plus the 786. Got a nice rejection. I should have entered earlier, but wanted more of a confirmation. Now we just have to wait and see what happens. We could get stopped out or, start rejecting and start making some money. And as you can see, guys, it is now the morning. It is 8:22 a.m. on a Monday. Last night's trade was a green trade, as in I made money from it. As you can see, we have the initial rejection. My game plan was actually a rejection off the 618 level here, but price just blasted through it, so I had to move my fib level higher to that high there. As you can see, we initially got a rejection up to 786, then a move down, and this is where I recorded at the beginning of the video. We got the move up where I set my alerts at the 618 actually, but we just blasted through it. Came as high as the nearly hitting the 0.88 level, but we basically got rejected off the 786 level, which is quite of a important one. We also claimed this high here, and also there was a previous day point of control, meaning on the session volume profile, this was yesterday's, so the day before that was the previous day point of control at the time. So this red line is basically where the most volume was traded. As you can see, I put a line there going across and named it the previous day point of control. Basically got a swing failure pattern from that. So there was a lot going on here. So I initially entered on the rejection of the 786, stop loss above the high. Pretty sure my fib level was from this high at the time, so my entry level was on the rejection of the 786, stop loss above the high, and we came as low as, I was targeting these lows, but we came as low as a 1 to 4 pretty much. I remember seeing 1.5 and 1.5 thousand in profit, but I thought obviously we could go lower, but we started hanging around this support line that I drew. As you can see, it was respected there. Respected, 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 respected. And then that's when we started dancing around. I was like, yeah, this doesn't look good, to be honest. So I actually put my stop loss above this high here. And then when I came back upstairs, I had seen that I got stopped out. And then we moved back down. And initially I was like, wow, man, oh well, I'm happy I made the money. I don't care. That's my job as a trader, is just to take little parts out of the market, make money from it. Anyway, in hindsight, I'm glad I did, because if I play what happened overnight, you can see that previous day point of control was getting respected and I got stopped out. And then eventually we had a massive move to the upside. Any second now, boom. So yeah, this is what Bitcoin can do, and I I'm just glad I took profit, as you can see. So Sunday I am up 3.4 RR, which on £1,000 $100,000 account is a $3,400 day, which doesn't sound too bad, does it? But yeah, man, just aiming to get 1% better every day, taking it slow, taking it easy, but not too slow or easy, and just gotta keep grinding and grinding and grinding, showing up every day. Just a quick one, I forgot to mention that I took screenshots of the development of the trade. As you can see, I actually got stopped out once, but I attempted again. So this trade I got stopped out of. And then this is just the development of the trade from plus 200 to 1.5 pretty much. And then I moved my stop loss above the high to secure the profits. And that's the trade. So yeah, thanks. As of now, we've got this pump creating some resistance. I mean, that's just taking the piss now, but let's see what happens. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a lovely week.